Hey friends, in today's video I'm going to share to you on how you can enable the dark mode on your Windows. So please watch this video and let's go quick into the process. So currently my Windows is in a light mode. As you can see, the taskbar is in a light mode. And if I'm going to bring up my File Explorer, this is also in a light mode. Now, if you want to use your Windows using a dark mode, then you can simply do that. So click on the Start button on your Windows, or you can just simply search for settings in the Windows search bar. Best match, go ahead and click on that. Now, here in the settings window, in the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on Personalization. That's under Network and Internet. Click on Personalization. Now, in the list of options for personalization, you can find colors. Now, you have to click on colors, accent color, transparency effects, and the color theme. Click on that. Now, here in the colors under personalization, you will find choose your mode. Change the colors that appear in Windows and your apps. So, currently, we are in a light mode. That's why our Windows is also in a light mode. So click on this drop down menu and you'll find the dark option. You have three options right here: light, dark, and custom. Now we are going to enable the dark mode on our Windows. So simply click on this dark button and then you're good to go. You have just enabled the dark mode on your Windows. So if you will notice the taskbar, earlier we had a light theme. That's why our taskbar is in a light color. Now the taskbar is in a dark color. So if I'm going also to open the File Explorer, this is also in a dark mode. And also some other applications on your Windows, like if I'm going to open the Settings application, this is also in a dark mode. You can also browse your Windows in a dark mode. It depends on what you prefer. If you prefer the light mode, then you can go ahead and enable the light mode, and if you prefer the dark mode, then you can also do that. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.